Hi everyone, how's it going? So I have this oversized hoodie and it's so oversized that I really only wear it inside because it's not really that flattering, but it is really comfy. But it's such a shame because it's a really pretty baby blue color and I'd like to wear it outside. And I know Megan Batoon has had this video up for a while on how to crop sew a hoodie, and I figured, hey, why not try it out? Even though I'm not a sewing expert. So I thought I would bring you guys along the ride with me. Maybe to show you that even if you are new when it comes to using a sewing machine, that you can also do it as well. I also just thought it would be a fun video to film, even if it turns out to be a fail. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you aren't already, please subscribe and leave an encouraging comment for me down below. This is the hoodie, and I am wearing shorts underneath. As you can see, it's really long, and I wore this once when I was cooking something with oil for the first time, so I have a couple oil splatters on it, but it's not too noticeable from afar, so I'll keep it as that. Ooh, you can even see Megan in the background. So this is the hoodie I'm gonna crop. I am thinking to go right above the pocket line here. So it's not too cropped, it's just long enough. I just really want to get it shorter. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so I have the sewing machine set up and I have this blue, which matches pretty well to the hoodie. So the first step is gonna be cutting it up. Oh my god, this is stressing me out. I hate doing projects like this because part of me always thinks I'm going to regret it, but you know what? We're taking risks. Okay, we did it. So we got the bottom part.
This is where it gets confusing because half of this is the outside and half of it is the inside. As you can see,
Okay, we've lost some sunlight, so sorry if the lighting is kind of bad. So Megan was talking about how on the elastic you're gonna have a side with stitching on both sides, but mine only has it on one, so I'm only going to align it to the left side of my hoodie. So now we're getting to the part where you have to pin them together. So I don't like using normal pins. I like using safety pins because I'm scared to get poked. Okay, so I'm about to sew now. I think I'm gonna do what Megan did and time myself. Probably not gonna be as quick as she was, but we'll just see, right? Yay! When did I take off my glasses? Okay. So I finished sewing it. We're gonna go and try it on. Oh my god, yeah! Yeah, boy! Yeah! Yeah! Okay, wait, let me see with glasses. Oh my god, are you kidding me? That's so cute. Okay, where this the... Okay, this is where... Wow. Wow. Hey. Okay, I'll stop. I know I was worried that I would regret doing this, but like... Oh my god, that is... I can't believe it. Just like the sewing part took like 15 minutes, so maybe in total this project took maybe 30 minutes? That's not bad for my first time doing this. Wow, I amped. Okay, don't look at the oil stain. Okay, I'm gonna mark this as a success. So thank you to Megan for actually inspiring me to do this and giving me the courage to crop my hoodie. Holy cow, that's... Do I do this with all my hoodies now? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would recommend you guys to go out and try it if you have any hoodies lying around that are oversized and you would like to crop them and still have it looking pretty professional with the band at the bottom instead of just cropping it with a pair of scissors. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Don't know what I'll see you guys next, but oh wow, I'm so happy about this, but I'm sweating because it's like 28 degrees outside. Okay, bye 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 bye.